In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks without bank account. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are looking to withdraw funds from your Prizepicks account, but you don't have a bank account, then it's still possible to actually withdraw any money. Now, there is an article that I found, and what I will do is leave a link to this article in the video description down below. But as you can see, this is all about withdrawing funds. Now, it says, how do I withdraw funds? As you can see, it says you can request a withdrawal to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. So in order to withdraw funds, if you don't have a bank account, you can see there's other options available such as PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card. But in order to withdraw using any of these methods, you would have had to previously deposit money into your account using either PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card. To request a withdrawal, all you need to do is navigate to the menu in the top left corner of the Prizepicks app. If you are accessing your account on the browser, the menu is in the top right hand corner. From there, you're going to see an option to select request withdrawal. Now, once you've done that, you're going to receive a one-time password code, which will be sent by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. No further action is needed on your part. We will send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. So, is it possible to withdraw without a bank account on Prizepicks? The answer is absolutely yes. Just make sure that you have deposited using either PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card, and you'll be able to withdraw to that selected payment method. Now, also make sure you do read through the requirements to make a withdrawal as well. As mentioned, I will leave a link to this article so you can read through in a bit more detail. But as you can see, there's a few requirements you need to meet in order to withdraw funds, such as a one-times playthrough requirement. And also bear in mind that withdrawals do have a minimum amount of $10. So if you do request a smaller withdrawal, of course, it's not going to be accepted. It's going to fail. So I hope that cleared things up for you on how to withdraw money from a Prizepicks account without a bank account. With that being said, if this tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.